Morning everyone, class 12 subject accountancy. Today we will start a chapter 6 retirement of partner. So under this chapter we are discuss different types of adjustments like point number first, change of profit sharing ratio. Point number first, changing in our profit sharing ratio. So focus on your screen. Okay. So point first, change in profit sharing ratio. Chapter retirement of partner. In a previous chapter admission of partner, we already discussed change regarding profit sharing ratio, adjustments of goodwill, reassessments of liabilities and assets. So change in profit sharing ratio, suppose that A, B, C are partners. Okay. So D is a B, C are partner, C is retired. So in that case, we are calculating a new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Second case, adjustment of goodwill, adjustment या valuation and adjustment. Second point, valuation and adjustment of goodwill. Okay. Point number second, valuation and adjustment of goodwill. As per AS6, goodwill is an intangible assets. So goodwill is carried forward only in a terms of monetary. Goodwill is carried forward only in terms of monetary way. When under this case, when goodwill does not exist in a book. So under this case, when goodwill does not exist in the books, so passing the entry, gaining partner capital account debit, gaining partner capital account debit, retiring partner capital account. So gaining partner capital account debit to retiring partner capital account. First point, entry gaining partner capital account debit to retiring partner capital account when goodwill does not exist in the books. Second case, goodwill is raised and its full value written off. Goodwill is raised, so goodwill account debit to partner capital account, goodwill raised and written off. Goodwill raised and return of. Okay, so under this point, goodwill account debit to partner capital account. Goodwill account debit, goodwill account debit to all partner, to all partner capital account. Okay, goodwill account debit to all partner capital account. Clear? And second entry, continuing partner capital account debit to goodwill account. Second entry, first, second, continuing partner, continuing partner capital account debit to goodwill account. Clear concept? First case, change in profit sharing ratio, already discussed in admission of partner. Second case, valuation and adjustment of goodwill. So when goodwill does not exist in the books, so gaining partner capital account debit, gaining partner capital account debit to retiring partner capital account, goodwill raise and return off. So goodwill account debit to all partner capital account, and second, continuing partner capital account debit to goodwill account. Clear? Yes or no? Next case, goodwill is raised to the extent of retiring partner. Goodwill is raised to the extent of retiring partner share is written off. So in that case, entry is passing goodwill account debit to retiring partner capital account, goodwill account debit to retiring partner capital account, and gaining partner capital account debit to goodwill account. Okay? So in this case, point number next, when goodwill exists in the books, when goodwill exists in the books, so entry pass when goodwill exists when goodwill exists in the book, so in that case, passing the entry partner capital account debit to goodwill account. All partner capital account debit, all partner capital account debit to goodwill account. Okay, all partner capital account debit to goodwill account. Clear? Yes or no? And next point, point number third, revaluation of assets. Point number third, revaluation of assets and reassessment, revaluation of assessed and reassessment of liabilities and reassessment of liabilities. Clear? So again, in this case we are preparing, so again prepare a revaluation account, prepare revaluation account, decrease and increase in the value of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Clear? Yes or no? Decrease and increase in the value of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Okay? So point next, adjustment of reserve. Next point, adjustments. Point number 4. Point number 4, adjustments of reserve. Adjustments of reserves, comma, accumulated profits and losses, accumulated profits and losses. Okay, so again in this case we are passing the entry: general reserve account debit, P&L account debit, investment fluctuation reserve account debit, general reserve account debit, P&L account debit, investment fluctuation reserve account debit, general reserve account debit, P&L account debit, investment fluctuation reserve account debit, workman compensation reserve WCR, workman compensation reserve account debit to partner capital account, to partner capital account. Okay. Second, accumulated, netting of accumulated losses, the return of accumulated losses. So second point, return of accumulated losses. So in this case, entry is partners capital account debit to P&L to advertisement expenditure account. Partner capital oblique current account debit. Partner capital oblique current account debit to P&L account or to P&L account or to advertisement expenditure account. To advertisement expenditure account. Okay. Advertisement expenditure account. Clear? Note करिए.